There's two things I have to do today. One, YouTube sent me a fake award. They were very clear to tell me it was a fake award, not a real award. And we got to make an acceptance speech for it. So the award that YouTube sent, and I'd like to reiterate, not a real award, it's a fake award. They've said that 1,000 times. Oh, this is cool. It's like, it's a light bulb, but it's like the filament has been etched into the middle of the light bulb. That's really cool. It's all glass. The second thing is I gotta make a picture. We're gonna buy a billboard for open sauce. We're gonna cover a computer in spaghetti. Right here is the AI photo of sauce all over a computer. I think this is probably the best use of image generation, is just quickly like shitting out ideas and then doing it for real and then realizing the one you did for real is worse than the AI one. I have a feeling that that's what's gonna happen today. But first I think it's time we do a goat and sheep update. Useless. They're useless. You poop, you shit, you fart all over everything. Look at this. This is disgusting. The sheep's ass is 6 inches from the sheep's shit. And you're thinking, how are they making so much shit, right? They must be eating a lot of grass. It's the same! This is the tallest grass I've ever seen in my life. In some parts of the States, you actually wouldn't even want to crawl through grass like this. But you might be thinking, well, maybe the goat and sheep haven't been here. And it's like, well, nope, there's poop on the ground. They have been here. They just aren't eating the damn grass. They didn't eat any grass! You didn't eat any of the grass! And you just crapped everywhere! Kevin told me they were eating the siding off of the house and then making piss. What fluid is this?
Goat, maybe sheep.
You know what? I bet you it's both. I bet you it's both. Okay, where were they eating the house?
They were doing something over here. I think it was like rubbing its head up against the wall, and like that's my bedroom. So I hear like.
I've noticed the grass is really tall here too.
Yeah, the grass, they're not doing anything.
If you guys have any good like goat or sheep sausage recipes, or just anything that gives us an excuse to kill them, leave a comment down below. How do you kill a sheep? How do you kill a goat? Give us the most brutal way to kill a goat in the comment section down below.
My vote's for the table saw.
Table saw?
Yeah.
Death by 1,000 cuts.
Or just one really big one. And then it also slices it up too into like little lamb chops.
Get out of my face. I'm not happy with you right now. Please find and close your trophy celebrating your win at the Inventies, the unofficial award show for inventors on YouTube. While this is a completely made up and unserious thing, I've never gotten anything from YouTube in my life, and when I finally do, it's a fake award. I mean, I appreciate it. I feel like I need to talk about it for myself. Imagine getting somebody roses and you're like, I'm not getting these because I love you. This is why are you getting them then? Oh God. Okay. Outstanding achievement, loss of driver's license. And the video is a car designed to make you sick. It's like 4 years old at this point. I think that the AI generated a picture that's impossible to photograph. We can take a normal picture and see what we get out of it. This is gonna make an enormous mess. I'm so excited. And I think that at the end of the day, there's nothing we can do. It looks like it's been dragged out. I kind of like this. Like, I think, you know, smearing out the sauce everywhere. Wait a second. Is AI more ethical than wasting food? Is this stuff even good? So I won an award for a 4-year-old video, and they want me to film an acceptance speech. This is what I'm thinking. Oh my God, something just crawled into the radiator. What was that? Since the award is for losing my driver's license, I'm like, what better way to accept it than while driving a car? And what better car to drive while accepting it than a 2005 Acura TL, the fastest car I own. It's been sitting for over a year, completely getting obliterated by everything. Oh, there's glass everywhere. I know that one of you watching this right now is flabbergasted that I'm giving this kind of content away for free. It's your lucky day, bucko. So the 36-volt battery is not the only thing Lead Time sent me. The Legends also gave me an enormous 12-volt lithium battery. They gave me everything I asked for. What I was thinking, this 12-volt battery right here will be broken out onto 2 little studs so you can hook up your jumper cables and you could jump a tractor, you could jump a 2005 Acura TL. Right now, the battery is just loosely placed in as you do. I guarantee there's at least one pervert who watches these videos who is way too into this right now. Leave a comment if that's you. It just turns and nothing, it doesn't make any sounds. I wonder if it's the can of PBR that's like about 2 feet deep in the engine compartment that's messing with something. I have the feeling that modern cars should just work. think that this car is totaled. Well, I was cut to a new plan. New plan. New car. Oh my God, are you kidding me? It just started right up. It's been sitting here for like 8 months. This car's transmission is totally borked. I think it works in first gear and second gear and maybe third gear and then also maybe top gear, but not fourth. I think it doesn't work in third and fourth. That's a really nice car. I could have driven it. Then go buy one for $500. This thing literally belongs in a landfill. But William, that red color RAV4 is super rare. You can't even get those anymore. Yeah, you can't get them because they're all broken and crap. The only problem is I don't get hit with the airbag, so how do you brainstorm this? I thought this would be a funny idea. What if it was like just like sauce everywhere? It's funny when you can just make a computer make an image. It's not funny when it's actually now a real life problem. I am regretting this already. How much spilled on the flare? Oh, it's everywhere. It didn't just spill, it exploded. Oh God, it's leaking everywhere. There's the award. And I'm like trying to open the ribbon and like open it while I'm driving. And so like I get it open and I'm like, oh my God, I'm not paying attention. This is the coolest award I've ever seen in my life. The Inventi Award, Outstanding Achievement, Loss of fucking God. And then it cuts wide and the car smashes into the Acura. Maybe right after it smashes into the Acura, the camera like pans over and I'm actually standing like not that way. It's not because I think maybe they'll get mad if it's too much. So it has to be like an instant reveal that I wasn't in the car. So you get in the tractor, you get the bucket up under the bumper, and then just like give it as much beans.
No, it's gonna be like I hit the car too if I'm driving.
No. You get it going and then you like stop and then the car, the RAV4 keeps rolling. I don't think we can make it go that fast. I think it's gonna be hard to make it really fast. The RAV4 is in neutral. We've put a chalk, just a rock underneath the wheel. Then you're gonna gun it, you're gonna send the RAV4, and once you're like maybe 10, 15 feet away, like the front of the RAV4, then you hit the brakes on the tractor. Yeah. Come to a stop. If there's any way we can like get turn the tractor off before it hits so we can get the hitting sound. Sure. We'll be over there. Everyone thinks I'm in the RAV4, but then the camera pans over and I'm actually standing right there with the award.
Holy chef boy.
Bro, it's like leaking through the crack in the table and everything. Bro, I'm telling you, I know there's a pervert watching this, you know?
Yeah, there is.
Oh shit. They eat everything, right?
He would destroy the sauce.
You think he would lick it off my hands?
Uh-huh.
Do you think the goat would lick the pasta sauce off my balls? Just a game theory. I'm Matt Pat. This is such a bad idea.
Okay, I think we should hopefully have something to cut.
Oh my God, get it off. Oh, it's... So, what do you think of the photos? Looks crappier than the AI one, right? Shit. All right, you ready, Kevin?
I'm ready.
So we'll be further back and just kind of like hold wide. You could probably even go a little, like that. Maybe, that's probably fine. Ready?
Yes.
You ready? Yeah, send it. YouTube just sent me some sort of award. Let's check it out. They said it was some sort of innovation award. I'm not really sure though. This is the coolest award I've ever seen. The Inventi Award, Outstanding Achievement, Loss of Driver's License. Loss of driver's. All right, thank you very much for the award, YouTube. I appreciate it. Outstanding Achievement, Lost Driver's License.
Open Sauce is back. An event described as better than expected. And I can't believe it wasn't a disaster. Come see groundbreaking technology like this thing.
So creepy.
And smell over 150 of the best looking creators on YouTube. It's all happening at Cow Palace. June 15th and 16th, San Francisco, Cow Palace. Get your tickets now